Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard Junior KG, Semester 2nd book. Yesterday, what we have completed? Small letter G. Small letter G. Yes or no? G for gift. G for gift. G for girl. G for girl. G for Gawa. G for Gawa. I asked you to complete this page and write also in 4-line book and also color this. Gawa. Peru. Yes or no? Now H also we have completed. Small H. H for hair. H for house. H for hat. H for hat. And I asked you to color the hat. So, here is a girl. Here is a girl. Here is a girl. This is a house. This is a house. This is a house. I asked you to read and trace and complete this page also. Have you completed and colored the hat? H for hair. H for house. H for hat. H for hat. Now, page number 18. Page number 18. We have completed now small letters. Small letters A to H. A to H. Yes or no? A to H small letters have we completed or not? Okay. Now see here. Circle the letter. Circle the letter. Circle the correct letter. Circle the correct letter. Here there are some pictures. Here there are some pictures. And down they have written small letters. Down they have written small letters. With the help of this picture and the alphabet, you have to circle the correct letter. The correct letter. Now they have given here. One example has been given for you. One example has been given for you. F is given, A is given, B is given. Only this first one I am asking here. See, only don't come here. Only fish. F for fish. So they have circled here F. F. A for fish come? No. B for fish comes? B? No. F for fish. So they have circled the F. Have you got it? Now see here. A, C and this is D. A, C and D. C for apple comes. C for apple. Do we say like that? D for apple? No. A for apple. A for apple. A you have to circle. Here what we have circled? F. Here what we have to circle? A. Because A for apple. A for apple. Have you got it or not? Have you understood? तुम्हें समझ में आया है? देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिया है. यहाँ पे तुम्हारा अल्फ़ाबेट्स दिया हुआ है. अल्फ़ाबेट्स दिया हुआ है. F A B. A से तो फिश नहीं आता. B से भी फिश नहीं आता. F से फिश आता है. इसलिए F को राउंड किया हुआ है. सर्कल द करेक्ट लेटर दे हैव गिवन. और हियर A C D. A से एप्पल आता है. C से नहीं, D से नहीं. आया समझ में? यस. नाउ देखो ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज गन. दिस इज गन. H I and this is G. H I G. So H से क्या आता है? H से हॉर्स आता है. आता है कि नहीं? I से इंक पॉट आता है. इंसेक्ट आता है. G फॉर गोट आता है. G फॉर गर्ल आता है. G फॉर गर्न आता है. तो तुम ये जी को सर्कल करना है। क्यों? क्योंकि G से गन होता है, H से नहीं होता, I से नहीं होता। Have you understood? Have you understood or not? See here, why we have circled here F? This one is done for you already. Why this F is been circled for you? Why we have circled this F? Because F for fish. Why we have circled here A for apple. Why we have circled here G for gun. G for gun. H for house. I for इंक पॉट, I for ice cream, नो, G for gun। इसीलिए हमने इसको सर्कल किया हुआ है, सर्कल किया है। तुम देख पा रहे हो ना हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? देख पा रहे हो ना? हाँ। अब तुम मुझे यहाँ बताओ EHB, EHB, E से ये क्या है? दिस इज अ हाउस, घर है ना? हाँ, तो ई से एलिफेंट आता है, ई से आई आता है, ई से एल्बो, ई से एक्सरसाइज आता है, एच से हाउस आता है ना? यस। तो तुम्हें ये एच लेटर को तुम्हें सर्कल करना है, इस तरह सर्कल करके लेना है। बी से क्या आता है? बी से बैट, बी से बॉल। यहाँ पे तुम्हें कोई पिक्चर दिख रहा है? ये इतने में ये एक ही पिक्चर में तुम्हें कोई और पिक्चर दिखता है क्या? नहीं। तो हमारा यहाँ पे एच है, एच से हाउस आता है, एच फॉर हाउस। सो वी हैव सर्कल द लेटर एच, वी हैव सर्कल द लेटर एच। ओके, नाउ G, F and E, G, F and E. With the help of the picture you can tell me what it is. It is a yes, egg. Very good. E for egg. E. We have not. G also we have not done because G for goat, G for gun. F for fish, F for fan. So this is not a fan. So this is E. So I am asking you, give more stress for small letters. With the help of the letters, you can circle, you can do the given picture with the help of the small letters. If you are not perfect, you will be not able to do. You will be not able to do. So I am asking you often and often, read properly, neatly, write and read again and again small letters, because capital letters you are now very perfect. This is small letters. See here. Yes. Now here what we have to circle? We have to circle C. We have to circle C. A, E. Don't do E for egg. Don't draw line over here. And A for apple. Don't go for the see here. Don't go for the apple. Apple. Don't do like that. Here only 3 words are there in front of the cup. That only you have to identify and write with the help of the picture and alphabets. With the help of the picture and alphabets. See. Now here A, B, E and G. B, E, G. They have given B, E and G. G for bread. E for bread. No. B for bread. B for bread. B, E, G. Circle B. It's easy now, children? Can you understand? It's easy. Yes or no? Yes. Now, A, D, H. A, D, H. Okay. A, D, H. So, what will you do here? A, D, H. Circle the D for donkey. This is D for donkey. Now, last one, who will tell me? C, E, F. Yes, F for fan. Very good. F for fan. Circle. CEF. F for fan. In this way, you have to circle the letter with the help of the picture. With the help of the picture. This is page number 18. Page number 18. Circle the letter. Alphabets are given small letters. Small letters. Here also downside you can see. With the help of this alphabet and the picture, you have to circle the correct letter. You have to circle the correct letter. Now we will see I. Small letter, new alphabet, I. Small I. I for idlis. Do you like to eat idlis? Everyone knows no idli. इडली खाते हो कि नहीं तुम लोग? Okay. I for idlis. So many idlis are there. See. I for insect. Insect यानी कीड़ा. This is insect. Cockroach. This cockroach, no? Yes. I for insect. What you must say? Insect. And this is I for ink pot. I for ink pot. साई से जो शाई होता है उससे लिखा जाता है. I for ink pot. I for idlis. I for idlis. I for insect. I for insect. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. See here slowly. What you have to do? This way you have to go on writing small. This is pattern for I. See here. See here. This we have to do the pattern, and then which side where we have to put the dot. See here. This is the dot. This is the dot. Okay. Now write the letter. Write the letter I. See here. I, how to write in this way and put the dot up. Little bit like this. I for small I. I for idlis. I for idlis. I for insects. I for insect. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for insect. I for insect. I for idlis. I for idlis. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for insect. I for insect. I for idlis. I for idlis. Okay. So you have to, this down line you complete at home. You complete at home. After completing this one, what you have to do? You have to write this in your 4-line book. In your, this is your 4-line book, no? In this 4-line book, how will you write? This is I. This is I. Only dark line you can see, no? Dark 2 lines. Small I for idlis. I for idlis. I for insects. I for insects. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for idlis. Here. Idlis. I for idlis. I for insect. I for insect, I for ink pot, I for ink pot. This way you complete the full 2 pages you have to write. Small I, saying small I for Italy, small I for Italy, small I for insect, small I for insect, small I for ink pot, small I for ink pot. And color the ink pot. Give the outline slowly. This is the outline you have to give in this way. In this way you have to give the outline and then color it. Now open page number 18 I have completed, 19 I have completed. Now come page number 20. Come to page number 20. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit, J for jeep, J for jeep, J for jelly, J for jelly, jelly. Jackfruit means इसको फनस कहते हैं, कटहल. ये ऊपर का सब निकाल के अंदर मीठा हुआ एक फ्रूट है ये, जो हम खा सकते हैं. जीप जीप गाड़ी में तुम बैठते हो ना, यस. एंड दिस इज जेली, जेली जो खाते हैं, चॉकलेट, जेली का चॉकलेट जो होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज जेली. जे फॉर जैकफ्रूट, जे फॉर जैकफ्रूट, जे फॉर जीप, जे फॉर जीप, जे फॉर जेली, जे फॉर जेली. जे फॉर जैकफ्रूट, जे फॉर jackfruit, J for jeep, J for jeep, J for jelly, J for jelly. You have to outline this like this, and then you have to color the jelly. You have to color the jelly. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. J, seer. Down come. From down 3 lines you have to take. This is your 4-line book, no? This is your workbook. See here. J, pattern of J pattern, and then this is small dot. Now write here. Give the dots. Dot. Now see here. Trace the letter G. J for small J. J for jackfruit. Small J. J for jeep. Small J. J for jeep. Small J. J for jelly. 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 Small J. J for jeep. Small J. J for jeep. Small J. J for jeep. Small J. J for jackfruit. 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 J for jeep. J for jelly, and the last line will be there. This you have to write as a homework. As a homework. J 2 pages you have to read and write for 2 pages. I 2 pages, J 2 pages. Because the new small letter it is. No, it's new small letter. So write 2 pages. You go to your open your 4-line book, notebook, and in that 4-line book you write small j, not from up, down you write j, small j for jackfruit, j for jackfruit, j for jeep, j for jeep, J for jelly, J for jelly. Then again you write J for jelly, J for jelly, J for jeep, J for jeep, J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. In this way you go on writing in your 4-line book. Full 2 pages you write. Full 2 pages. Have you got it? Yes. Now we have completed small letters. Yes or no? Small letters A to J. A to J. Small letters. That is here. This is small letter. A for ant. A for ant. A for actor. A for actor. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Yes or no? Then small b, B for basket, B for basket, B for bus, B for bus, B for bird, B for bird, C for cake, C for cake, C for car, C for car, C for candy cane, C for candy cane. Small d, D for dog, D for dog, D for desk, D for desk, D for dinosaur, D for dinosaur. Now match the picture. A ant, B boat, C cup and D doll. D doll. E for exercise, E for exercise, E for elbow, E for elbow, E for envelope, E for envelope. F for fish, F for fish, F for foot, F for fan, F for fish, F for foot, F for fan. G for gift, G for gift, G for girl, G for girl, G for Gava, G for Gava. H for hair, H for house, H for hat, H for hat. Then circle the letter F. Here we have circle A, here G, here H, here E, here C, here B for bread and D for donkey, F for fan, F for fan. Then I for idlis, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for idlis, I for insect, I for ink pot, I for ink pot. And now I is over. Now J, small j, J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit, J for jeep, J for jeep and G for jelly, G for jelly. We have completed A small letters A to J. Capital letters we have completed A to Z. Yes, no? Now we have completed small letters A to J. A to J. See here now, capital and small letters A to J. A to J in your 4-line book, how to write. See here, capital A, small a. When I ask you to write A to J means A to J, not full page. This way you have to write A to J. A, capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Today we have completed capital. You know how to write here. Capital I, small I. See here, small I, little bit. This way I, and this is capital J. This is small j. How to write here? Capital J, small j. Have you got it? Have you understood? Yes. Now, capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, this is small I. Capital J, small j. This way you have to write. This way you have to write. You write this for only one page. A to J, capital and small letters. A to J, one page. You have to write. I, two pages. Small I, only small I. See here, small I which I have showed you, no? Small I. See here, this is small I. You write for 2 pages. Small j, 2 pages. And capital letters, 1 page. And small capital and small letters, 1 page. Okay children, have you understood your homework? Once again, listen to me. Capital A to Z, 1 page. Capital I, 2 pages. J, 2 pages. A to J, 1 page. This much only is the homework for you. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.